Dogecoin. 8 years ago, Bitcoin price reached $1,000. A few developers decided to make a meme out of this with developing a new cryptocurrency and use Shiba Doge as their logo. This crypto didn't have any plan or purpose. With attracting 2 million users, twice as Ethereum, became one of the biggest crypto in market. Dogecoin is mining-based, same as Bitcoin. The difference is, unlike Bitcoin, this crypto have unlimited supply, and each year 5.2 billion tokens add to network. Now, more than 131 billion Dogecoin is circulated in crypto market. Meme name and logo, charity works, low fees, celebrities putting it in the air, like Elon Musk or Vitalik Battery, are Dogecoin success reasons. As a result, Dogecoin up 10,000% from $0.0006. Still, Dogecoin didn't have any technical development, and countries as usual as always did, and there is no roadmap for their development. And nobody knows where they end up. Produced in Rasane the studio.